Samsung S21 completely dead and not turning on. In this video, we are going to check the important input and output voltage lines to find the actual fault. First, make sure the motherboard is properly connected to the DC power supply and observe the current behavior. Now we will check the main input voltage, and then move toward the different power sections of the motherboard. If the main voltage is missing, the problem can be related to the battery line, connector, protection components, or power input section. Next, carefully measure the output voltages from the power management section. Compare the readings with the expected voltage levels and identify which power rail is missing. Once the faulty section is located, inspect the surrounding components for shorts, damaged capacitors, coils, or other hardware problems. This voltage testing method can save valuable time when troubleshooting a completely dead Samsung S21. Watch the complete video to follow the testing process step by step and find the correct motherboard solution.